Hey guys, so I'm gonna kind of make this quick. I'm going to, of course, I'm doing a live, and I'm doing a non-pharmacy live today, or on this one. Every now and again, I like to do like non-pharmacy lives, like when I can, if mainly just because no one wants to see pharmacy or the company that you work for every day. So I figured every now and again would be a good day, a good time to do it. So, I mean, sometimes there was a live that I did unboxing for Huda Beauty and a few other products that I had gotten past few days. And now I'm just kind of clearing off so you guys can, so I can have some room. I don't know how warm that coffee is. Okay. Good deal. Probably get some more after. Yeah. So this week's palettes that I've used are all right here. So if anyone has questions about any of those products, let me know. I've used pharmacy products, non-pharmacy products, and all that stuff. If you guys are wanting a palette, we have our Glam Up and our Iconic for $30.90, and also the Wonderlust palette for $39.90. Just so you all know, if you guys have questions about that. This is an unboxing for our Glowaddict XL box. It is a monthly subscription for $34.99, and they just brought this out like a couple months ago. So this is just pretty much their starters, and this is what it looks like in there. A bunch of bubble wrap, and then it has like a little sticker that says thank you. So if you guys like these kind of videos as well, let me know, because I really don't mind doing them. I actually rather enjoy them. I'll do like unboxings that's like non-pharmacy products, and usually soon after I do the unboxings, I do try the products out with my pharmacy products to see how everything goes with it. So, yeah, like I said before, Glowaddict is a $34.99 monthly subscription. They just started this 2 months ago, or this is my third time, so 3 months ago, and it's a really good box. I enjoy it. Has makeup products, it has some skincare in there, but yeah, they're like doing a lot of great stuff in this. Alright, so the first thing is that I'm pulling out is the nail polish remover pads. It's with cuticle oil, acetone free, and it has 32 pads. It looks like the scent is lavender. Not a big fan of lavender, but oh, as a seal, so that's kind of nice. That's awesome. Alright, the next thing as well. So Glowaddict provides drugstore products, high-end products, indie products, all that stuff. So you're going to see a good variety of different products that are out there. This is exciting. So my first makeup product that I got, if I can open it. How do you open? Aha! I'm gonna get rid of this thing. I don't need this. So I got the NYX palette. It's Love in Paris. It's a really cute palette. It has like the neutral shades. It's kind of nice. It seems a little powdery, but I mean, that's just coming off of your finger. Here's some 4 shades right here. I suck at swatches, just so you all know. But I'm not a big fan of this palette already. It seems a little powdery, but of course I will give it a try, just because one, I've already swatched it, so might as well just use it. Alright, so my next thing I am pulling out are the Impress Press-On Manicure. This is actually a really pretty set. I actually might try those on. Ooh, and I've actually tried this brand out already before. And it has like the little stickers, and all you need to do is just like file down your nails and everything, making sure like it's nice and smooth, and you can literally just put them on. You need to cleanse your nail, peel off the backing, align the nail with the cuticle, and press down firmly. That's the directions that they gave you. So I'm really excited to try this. I'll probably put these on tomorrow. Yeah, probably tomorrow. Okay. Here are 2 skincare masks. It's the Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your face. So it's a face mask, of course. It's anti-wrinkle and energizing face masks. Anti-rides and energinists. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, and that's awesome. Like, it has all these, like, the things right here. Cruelty-free, vegan. I can't see, like they're really small, but you get 2 of these things in this in that subscription box. I think you get like 5 to 7 items. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 5 to 7 items in your in this XL box. I think literally Glowaddict is one of my favorites. I do like BoxyCharm, but literally Glowaddict is like amazing. Like literally amazing. Alright, so the next thing is the Balm Sustainably Gorgeous. It's a green packaging and clean beauty. Oh, that's nice. It's a highlight and contour powders, illuminator and contour. Oh! Well, that's not good. The glue was probably, it didn't stick. Alright, so gotta be careful with that shade right there. This is what it looks like. It is actually really super cute packaging. Seems kind of dry, but ooh, especially the powder seems kind of dry. So here's those 4 shades. Like, it's not too bad. I mean, the highlighters are really pretty. I just think it's really like dry powder. I don't know, it's hard to explain. I'll have to try this out as well, but I'm not really impressed with this palette. But I mean, you win some, you lose some, you know? So hopefully next time, or next month's box is a lot better. But I know that this box is good too. They gave us actually 4 palettes. Alright, so this one is, I have no idea how to pronounce it, but it's a Contour Series Powder. So I hope this one is a lot better compared to the one that we just tried. Oh, and it tells you on how to contour and highlight, so that's kind of cool. I mean, if someone already knows how to, then you shouldn't need to. But, oh, and it has a little, a little thing like this. Alright, so these are, okay. You have these powders right here. Has the highlights and contouring. These don't feel as like the ones that I just tried. I mean, some of them look a little powdery, but they seem smoother. Yeah. Yeah, it's not so bad. I'll definitely give this a try. There's a I already have some products right now that I need to try, like my Profusion products, Milani. I got CoverGirl. Yeah, I got those, and then I got Huda Beauty products behind me that needs to be tried. Like, I'm gonna be busy. Alright, so the last thing that I just have in our box here is the Loreal. It is 35 colors eyeshadow palette. I don't have this one, I don't think. I don't think I have this one. I know I don't have this one. I do have a lot of their products because I did get some mystery boxes that they've had a while ago, and their products are amazing. So it has a little protector sheet, and then here are their shades. Now it has like pops of color in there, it has your neutrals, it has your darks, your deep colors, and it just, it's beautiful. Oh yeah, this is like a really nice palette. I like this. I mean, the shades kind of move, but okay, I guess. I mean, whatever. I'm gonna try this purple out. Alright, here's 4 shades right here that I'm going to swatch for you. And let's go right here. Oh yeah, see, look at that. Now that is what a palette's supposed to look like. I like that. Alright, you guys, that is all for an unboxing. I should be getting my regular Glowaddict box next week. I'm hoping that the products that I have right now will be already tried on. I think for sure my subscription box stuff will be tried. I'll try those on like really soon, this weekend probably. And then I have Profusion. I have so much stuff, you guys. Like literally, there's so much content that I want to show you guys. It's insane. So I am going to be one busy bee. So if I have not messaged you, I'm sorry. I will message you as soon as I can. I'm not ignoring you. I know that you guys are there. But of course, if you guys have questions about my subscription boxes that I get, I'm obsessed with them. I cannot get over that. And if you guys have questions about any of the pharmacy products, I'd love to talk to you guys about that too. Like, you guys have no idea how obsessed I am with subscriptions. It is insane. And I will be back on here tomorrow, and I'm going to be doing some try-ons. I'll probably do a skincare live, probably a pharmacy skincare live, and also a non-pharmacy live. Because I mean, I have so much stuff that I want to show you guys. It's just crazy, because I want to show you guys some products that I've gotten in my subscription boxes, and like the skincare that I got through Huda Beauty. It's like unimaginable on how much, hey Stephanie, on how much skincare that I want to show you guys. So if you guys have questions about pharmacy, let me know. Their products are amazing. I have their face makeup on right now as well. But I hope you all have a good day or good night, and you guys will see me tomorrow. And probably it's gonna be a busy day tomorrow. Really busy. I have to go through George's clothes. I'm gonna post up some content for you guys. Tomorrow is the Glam Up palette, which is our neutrals, and it is super pretty. I love it. And then on tomorrow's Saturday, so Sunday will be the Anastasia palette. I love this one too. It's super pretty. You guys can tell it's kind of messy in there. So I will talk to you guys soon. Tomorrow will be just a really busy day. Bunch of stuff, content that I want to post, messages, just a whole bunch of stuff. I'll be working busy. Alright, I hope you guys have a good night, and I'll see you guys soon.